Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save videos without watermark in Tempo. Tempo is a popular video editing app that lets you create eye-catching video with music, effects and transition, but many users face one common problem, the Tempo watermark. So in this video I show you how to save videos without a watermark in the Tempo app step by step. So first you need to have a Tempo app. If you do not have, so you can go to your app store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And when you reach into this dashboard, you'll find a lot of templates. You can simply create from the scratch, or you can simply go to the draft by tapping on the bottom right profile icon. Over here you can select any of the drafts of your previous work by simply tapping on one of the drafts. So over here we can see on the top there's a Tempo watermark. What you can do is just beside it there's a simple cross icon. Simply tap on that and it will remove your watermark from the Tempo video option. And you need to use the premium version in order to remove the watermark from your Tempo app video. And after completing this step, watermark will be removed automatically, and you can wait for the video to process, and it will be saved without the Tempo watermark in your gallery. And that's it. That's how you can save videos directly without watermark in the Tempo app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and share. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.